how you can balance your life academically and other aspects. That is very important. Next one, the required skill that you need to pursue your academic and to gain your success. And the most important that for the long term, you have to fix your goal that what you are going to do after completion of 2 years from here, from this department. I think many of you has certain goals already, or you have fixed up certain things in your mind that what you will do after 2 years. That is very important nowadays. The 2 years you will be here and you don't know how the 2 years has gone. ऊपर से चला गया. So you have to be calculative, very calculative. Right? Now you have seen that if you want to pursue your career in higher academics, then nowadays, as per the guidelines of UGC, I am talking about the higher education institute, that you need to qualify NET. Get. Now, and UGC has categorized 1 to 3 category. All of you must know that. If you don't, then go through. This is very essential for you now. And to getting a seat in PhD, after your next step is your PhD, right, research, you must qualify, you have to qualify National Eligibility Test or SNET, right? And for that, you have seen that we have started our NET coaching classes in the department. And we have categorized these coaching classes into 2 categories. For the senior batches, we have the directly NET coaching classes. And for the new admission students, we have the bridge course. And many of you I have seen that you are enrolled in the programs, in those classes, but you are not coming to the classes. That I have taken some feedback, and where I want to discuss with you this one, that where I have found something there, that is the balancing of your, that is PG courses with the other NET classes. That is, one cannot balance, you have to balance these things. See, you are high of energy. This is your, that is the, if you draw the graph, no? You will find it's a diamond-shaped graph is coming out. And this is 20 to 25 years, 26 years is the high energy level graph. And then it will gradually comes down. Now this is, you are full of energy. So where is missing? That means you cannot able to fix up your goal properly. You should chalk, you should fix up your goal, and you should plan yourself as per your goal. Right? So success will be yours. The Department of Mathematics came into existence in 1994. I must discuss about our history, because we should not forget our history, our background. So in 1994 it came into existence. It is one of the oldest department of the Assam University Silchar. Few departments, I must say. And it has started its journey in a very positive note. And we are committed for the high quality of teaching and research. And you must by this time you are understanding. And this is one of the few departments in Northeast Institute where you will find both pure and applied branches are equally given stress. And what is the advantage of that? There is an advantage. You will find many institutes are only having pure mathematics or applied mathematics. There is no balancing act. So here you will get a balancing act over here. So both pure and applied mathematics you can learn, you can master yourself, which will help you to qualify in many competitive examinations, including NET, SLET, GATE and others also. So I will encourage you that if you are thinking about yourself, you are finding yourself that I will be there, I want to pursue myself in the higher academics, then you fix up your goal. You fix up your goal now, this is the right time. Otherwise, if you feel that okay, just I have entered and there are so many times, 2 years is a long time, so I will get so many times to think about, then you are wrong. So this is the high time for you. After entering, you should fix up your goal and you should do accordingly. I would like to see you to participate in other academic activities also. See, our life is not all about academics, right? If you are coming out from the department, you have to face so many problems, isn't it? And you have to make yourself competitive for those things. So I would like to see you to participate in many activities other than your academics. So please participate in many sports, right? Sports-oriented programs, cultural programs, because you see, you need a very competitive mind. You need a very competitive mind to sustain in the system. And our system, if you have seen that our system is what? Teaching, learning and evaluation system. Teacher will teach, you have to learn quickly and you have to perform. There is no other option. So a competitive mind is good for you. But it should not, make difference with your friends. It should be a positive competition. But there must be a competition and healthy competition. So please contribute to your career. You are doing that. Please contribute something to the department and the institute. So once again, I congratulate you and giving my best wishes for your future endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable words. Now it's time to enjoy a poem recitation by our junior, Razia Yasmin. I request her to come to the stage.
Respected teachers, seniors and beloved friends, good afternoon to one and all present here. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to recite a poem. This poem has been written by me and the title of the poem is अभी भी चिराग जलने दो। क्यों रुक रहे हो मंजिल से पहले, खुद को थोड़ा और बढ़ने दो। क्यों खो रहे हो यूं ही आत्मविश्वास, अभी भी चिराग जलने दो। न जाने कितने धूप बरसात सहने के बाद ये प्यारी सी फूल खिलखिलाती है। हजार चांद सितारों का खून होता है, तब जाके तो सुबह मुस्कुराती है। मत रोको खुद को, अपनी काबिलियत को, इस कायनात को देखने दो। मत तोड़ो ख्वाब पूरा होने से पहले, अभी भी चिराग जलने दो। घिसना होता है हजारों बार हीरे के टुकड़े को, तब जाके उसकी चमक खिलती है। जीवन में मुश्किलों के बाद चेहरे पे मुस्कान